Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, remove both earbuds, power off Bluetooth on your device, and place the case on a soft cloth. Use a 0.5mm metal pick only at the seam, insert gently and feel for the adhesive give. Once you detect a slight gap, switch to a thin plastic pry tool and work clockwise. This prevents bending the hinge. Keep steady pressure and small movements, not a single forceful yank. This first pry creates the opening you need to access the interior seal safely. Once you have the initial gap, focus on the hinge area, insert the plastic tool and lift in small increments to avoid spring damage. Make short, alternating lifts. This equalizes stress. If the shell resists, dab a cotton swab with isopropyl 90% at the seam to soften adhesive. Wait 30 to 60 seconds and continue. Make sure to keep the lid aligned with the base as you peel adhesive away, and pause if you feel resistance. Slow is safer than fast when freeing glued components. Finish by sliding the plastic tool around the case perimeter to free remaining clips. Lift the shell straight up to avoid snagging internal parts. Once removed, clean residue with isopropyl and a plastic card, then inspect for cracked clips or bent hinges. If the lid binds, realign clips before reassembly. If hinge stiffness persists, apply a tiny amount of silicone lubricant. Test with small cycles. Troubleshooting tip: if something tears or won't budge, stop and reassess. Forcing it risks permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.